Yeah, so ViaLite are talking more and more about our RF and fibre solutions. One of the big changes that we've done this year is to actually go through and introduce our new higher frequency products. The higher frequency products have been developed to actually go through and meet customer specific specifications. So where customers are actually looking for lower noise figure, for example, or higher spurious-free dynamic range, or some other parameter that they need to consider for their specific application. We're working with them very, very closely in designing and developing the product to meet their requirements. It's a solution that will be specific for customers, and it will be developed according to what they really, really need. Yeah, so what we're finding more and more is that teleport operators and that they're actually going through and trying to reduce CAPEX and operational OPEX type costs by using technology to actually go through and limit the spending that they have. More and more people are looking at scalable type solutions. In terms of scalability, they want to be able to have that flexibility to have a hybrid type solution. And where customer needs are required in the short term or the long term, they want to have that flexibility to actually go through and manage that. So one of the things that we've seen as part of the actual CABSAT show is people have been talking about very high throughput satellites, talking about that, how they can actually go through and manage that type of requirement moving forward. So hybrid is one of the things that's been talked about, not just using SATCOM with L-band or higher frequency Ka band and things like that, but they want to start talking about 5G, 6G, the future, RF over IP, and also higher frequency links as well. The good thing about the higher frequency links is that you're taking a continuous high frequency bandwidth and you're putting that over fibre, so you don't have to break things down. You've got potentially a 1 to 18 gig bandwidth, for example, for one of the standard products that we do. That allows you to take everything all in one go, transport it from the antenna side all the way through to the indoor control room, and then you can down convert there, should you wish to do that, and distribute it out to all the facility where it's required for post-processing and other things. Well, a lot of people have been talking about multi-orbit type constellations. They're actually going through and saying to us that what are your plans for MEO, LEO and GEO? We're all seeing that Starlink and other operators, their costs are coming down. So normal bigger teleport operators are finding it more and more difficult to actually provide services at the normal cost. They're having to actually cost reduce to keep revenue streaming in. And things like SaaS and PaaS are having a big impact as well on the way that teleport operators are actually conducting business now. So there is a shift in the way that operators are actually going through and running their businesses in terms of capacity. And this, I believe, will change even more over the next few years with the introduction of new technology and scalable solutions.